G'day! If you have loaded up Google Play recently and it's asking for biometrics or to use a password of which you can't remember the password, this is a particular bypass that I use that works reasonably well. So make sure you close down Google Play before you start it. Close all. Once you've closed it all, go into an installed app that you've previously downloaded. So for example, I'll use Spotify. What I'm going to do on this Samsung phone is press and hold, and then I'm going to press the exclamation up in the top corner, or the dot information. And once that loads up, this will bring me into settings, apps, and then the specific app info. Then I'm going to scroll down to the very bottom. I'm going to go app details from the Google Play Store. I'll click on that. That's going to bring up the app details, and it's going to completely bypass the need to enter the password. So from here, I'm just wanting to download Google Play. But from here, I can go, not Google Play, I'm wanting to download Samsung Smart Switch on this broken Samsung. And right now, that's gotten me into Google Play without the need of actually entering the password or the biometric data. So if I go Samsung Smart Switch, as with everything on Google Play, the top one is always a scam. I'm very cynical about that nowadays. I've seen too many people come in with Cleaner Launcher, Weather Launcher, something Launcher, all generating ads, but that's another tangent. But right now, as you can see, currently pending, downloading right now. So with that particular little method, you can bypass the need to enter the password or a fingerprint scan to be able to still download apps on Google Play. Hope that helps you. See you later. Bye.